Inflammation. It's one of those words we hear everywhere these days. Doctors talk about it, health articles warn about it, and people over 50 often feel it in their bodies every single day. Maybe it shows up as joint pain when you wake up in the morning. Maybe it's swelling in your knees after a short walk. Or perhaps it's that constant stiffness in your back and hands that just doesn't seem to go away. But here's the surprising truth: inflammation is not just about pain. It's at the root of many chronic illnesses: arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, even Alzheimer's. In fact, researchers now call inflammation the silent fire inside the body. And if you don't calm it down, it can slowly destroy your health. Now, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to give you hope. Because there's one powerful natural ingredient that can help fight inflammation right at its source. It's not a fancy supplement. It's not a prescription drug. It's something you probably already have in your kitchen right now. And that ingredient is turmeric. Today I'm going to share with you how a simple turmeric recipe helped me eliminate inflammation in just 4 days. I'll explain how turmeric works inside the body, the science behind it, and the exact recipe you can make at home to start seeing results yourself. So stay tuned, because this could be the natural solution you've been waiting for. The hidden truth about inflammation. Before we get into the turmeric recipe, let's first understand what inflammation really is. Most people think inflammation is always bad, but that's not entirely true. You see, inflammation is actually your body's natural defense mechanism. When you cut your finger or catch a cold, your immune system creates inflammation to fight off bacteria and begin healing. That's called acute inflammation, and it's a good thing. But the real danger comes from chronic inflammation. This is when your body stays in a constant state of alert. It's like the immune system refuses to turn off the alarm. Over time, this damages healthy cells, tissues, and organs. Chronic inflammation can show up in many ways: joint pain and stiffness, constant fatigue, digestive issues like bloating or acid reflux, brain fog and memory problems, skin issues like rashes or eczema. And here's the shocking part: studies now show that chronic inflammation is linked to almost every major age-related disease. That's why controlling inflammation is one of the most powerful steps you can take for healthy aging. So how do we put out this internal fire? That's where turmeric comes in. Why turmeric is called nature's anti-inflammatory. Turmeric is a golden spice that comes from the root of a plant in the ginger family. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for more than 4,000 years. Traditionally, it was used to treat digestive issues, wounds, infections, and joint pain. The secret to turmeric's power is a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its bright yellow color. More importantly, it's what gives turmeric its incredible anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Scientists have found that curcumin can block certain molecules in the body that trigger inflammation. In fact, some studies suggest that curcumin can be as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the dangerous side effects. But there's a problem: curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body on its own. That's why you need the right recipe, the right combination of ingredients, to unlock its full healing power. And that's exactly what I'm going to share with you today: the turmeric recipe that worked for me in just 4 days. My 4-day turmeric recipe. So here's the simple recipe that changed everything for me. 1 teaspoon of organic turmeric powder or freshly grated turmeric root. A pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of honey, optional for taste. 1 cup of warm water or warm milk, dairy or plant-based like almond milk or oat milk. A tiny piece of fresh ginger, optional but highly recommended. Why these ingredients? The black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which increases curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. The honey adds sweetness and has its own antibacterial properties. Warm milk or water helps your body digest and absorb the turmeric more effectively. Ginger, like turmeric, has anti-inflammatory benefits, so it gives the recipe an extra boost. Heat the water or milk until it's warm, not boiling. Add the turmeric, black pepper, and grated ginger. Stir well. Let it steep for a few minutes. Add honey if you'd like it sweeter. Drink once a day, preferably in the evening before bed. What happened in just 4 days? When I first started drinking this recipe, I honestly didn't expect much. But after just 2 days, I noticed something surprising. The stiffness in my fingers in the morning wasn't as bad. I could open and close my hands more easily. By the 4th day, the swelling in my knees had gone down noticeably. Walking up the stairs didn't feel like a battle anymore. Even my digestion seemed smoother. I felt lighter, less bloated, and my energy improved. Now everyone's body is different. Some people may feel results in a few days, while others may need a couple of weeks. But the key is consistency. Turmeric isn't a magic pill, it's a natural healer. And when you take it regularly, the benefits build over time. The science that backs it up. You might be wondering, is this just a personal story, or is there real science behind it? Let's look at some research. A study published in the journal Oncogene found that curcumin is among the most effective anti-inflammatory compounds in the world. Another study in the journal Phytotherapy Research tested curcumin on patients with arthritis. They found that turmeric worked better than a leading arthritis drug at reducing joint pain and swelling. Researchers from the University of California found that turmeric improves brain function and may even protect against Alzheimer's disease by reducing inflammation in the brain. Turmeric has also been shown to lower risk factors for heart disease by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. So yes, this golden spice is more than just a kitchen ingredient. It's a proven science-backed natural medicine. Other benefits of turmeric. While I started using turmeric for inflammation, I quickly discovered other benefits. It helped calm my stomach and reduced bloating. Some studies suggest turmeric can boost serotonin and dopamine, reducing symptoms of depression. Its antioxidant properties gave my skin a natural glow. I noticed I wasn't catching colds as often. It's like turmeric works quietly in the background, healing your body from the inside out. How to make turmeric part of your daily routine. The recipe I shared is simple, but you can also enjoy turmeric in other ways. Add it to soups and stews for flavor and health. Sprinkle it over roasted vegetables. Blend it into smoothies. Make golden milk before bed, a warm, soothing drink that helps you relax and sleep better. The key is to pair it with black pepper and some healthy fat like milk, coconut oil, or olive oil to boost absorption. Who should be careful with turmeric? Now, while turmeric is safe for most people, there are a few precautions. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, talk to your doctor before using turmeric daily, since it can also thin the blood. If you have gallstones or bile duct issues, check with your doctor first. Always start with small amounts to see how your body reacts. Inflammation may be one of the biggest threats to our health as we age, but nature has already given us a powerful weapon. This simple turmeric recipe has the potential to calm your body, ease your pain, and restore your energy, all without harsh drugs or side effects. It worked for me in just 4 days, and it can work for you too if you give it a try. So the next time you feel that stiffness in your joints or the ache in your knees, don't just reach for painkillers. Try reaching for this golden remedy instead. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs natural relief from inflammation. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple health tips and recipes that can transform your life after 5th.